Hi friends, today I gonna going how to make free logo making. Just open the Google, then type brain code like that this website, and you will see the first link. Just click the link, then what is the company name, and you will download. Sorry, you will text here, then click, and then you will make in this area your company names. I like this PUBG. Continue. Then it will automatically creating your logo. You will see the I make the Kim wins gaming. Which one you like, and you will click here. Just I click this one, and which one want you can you will select in this area, and this one not the free application, you need to pay and download this one if you want to download, but you can make screenshot even. Also you can get the ideas how to make the logos like this, and you can make here in the select the font size or which size want, and if you want the select, and you can delete this one your computer backspace, also delete like this, and you can make outline, and you can make here the bold like this, and you can make in the text in this area which one want. If you want to delete, if you want to put another name, the company name, you can put also here in the right. I can make the big also like this more, and here in the text size also text designs, also shapes. Here I can make the shapes, and which one were the shapes, and animated also I can make here. Also a lot of thing in here have, and opacity also I can make the opacity like and that, and duplicate you can make. And if you want this one, you can download here, and so you can save your progress, and you can share also Facebook like this in this one. But if you want this logo, you just shift key and Windows key, and say at the same time press the S. Windows key, shift key, S key. If you press, you can make the screenshot like that. Then you can save which place you want. I save it here in the here already. I'm showing for you where I saving this one. Okay, you will see the application in this area. I click the picture, the logo, and this application is the benefits. If you don't know how to make the logo, you can get ideas. And if you want to this application, you can want to buy for the this application for the online. So this good application, you don't want to hard work, you don't want it's a 1 second, it will everything creating. Also if you want know the Photoshop, you can make same like this, and the designs you can make also a screenshot, and here also. Thank you for watching my video.